Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 37th video in Android application development. So in this video I want to show you that how you can publish your Android application in the Play Store. Uh, we will start from generating signed APK for an application, and also we are going to show you the publishing process in Google Play Store. So first, if you want to publish your application, you need to create your application in Android Studio. So I'm using Android Studio, but there are a lot of people that they are using some websites like there are a lot of websites that you can use for creating Android application, for example Tankable, and there are some more. So I'm using Android Studio. For example, this is an application. This is not a production level application, but I want to show you the educational and for the educational purpose. So for example, you want to publish this application. First you need to generate signed APK. You can click on build and generate signed APK. This is an important process because if you don't create signed APK for your application, you cannot publish your application in the Play Store. I'm going to click on APK, so click on next. Now in here you need to create a key store path, because it's important when you want to for example, you have an application and you want to update that application. For that reason you need to have a key store path and key store password for your Android application. So I'm going to click on create new, and in here I create a key store path. So for example, let me find so I have a folder for example, let me create a new folder in here, and I call it my app key store. Yeah, you can see my app key store. Let me, and now you need to give a name. So I want to give app for example a demo app, and you can see it's a GKS. Click on OK, and now in here you need to give a password that you can remember. So let me just give a password, and then here you need to give write another password. Confirm password. So now you need to give first name and last name, organization unit, for example individual, and for example organization name. Let me give a name. Also you can choose city or locality, state or province, country. For right now I don't want, but you can do if you want. It's not necessary. Click on OK. Password do not match. I think I have now I'm waiting for the building signed APK, and after this you need to click on next, click on, and now in here you need to choose v1 and v2. So after that click on finish. So now I am waiting for the application signed APK. So now guys, you can see generate signed APK generated successfully. And now let me, okay, now you can see you can locate the signed APK, and in the release folder we have app.release. So this is the application that you want to release. So copy and paste it in the folder. So before that you need to create some icons and also feature the image and screenshots of your application. So you need to have a demo, a featured image. This is 1024 by 500. Also you need an icon, so this is 512 by 512, and I have 4 screenshots from the application, and this is the APK. So let me write demo app. Okay, now after this so guys, after generating signed APK, when you want to publish your application in the Google Play Store, you need to buy Google Play Console. So it is one-time payment. The price is $25 and you can buy that. So I have already buy Google Play Console. So after that, open your Google Play Console and click on create application. So in here you can choose your default language, and in here you can give the application name, for example demo app, and click on create. Okay, now after this, this is the place that you need to give a short description for your application. So it is a short description for the demo app, and this is the full description that you can give in here about your application. And after this, you need to add an icon in here. So I have already created an icon for this. Okay, this is the icon. So now I'm waiting for the upload of the icon. So now guys, this is the icon and it will look like this in the Google Play Store. So after that you need to add some screenshots. So first a feature graphic. So let me browse this. Yeah, this is the feature graphic you can add, and you need to resize your screenshot. So this is a screenshot. Yeah, this is feature graphic. This is the screenshots that we want to add. So first, second, third, and you can add 8 screenshots in here. And this is the feature graphic. Also you can add a promo graphic, a TV banner image, and also you can add a promo video. But the most applications are like this. So let me add a feature graphic, and you can see this is my 4 featured 4 screenshots. Okay, now this is now done, and now we need to select the application type. For example, this is an application, and you can choose a category for this. For example, book and reference. And after this, okay, for right now we don't need to this. If you have a website, you can add a website. You need to add an email address in here. And also you can add a phone number if you want, and if you wish, you can provide a privacy policy link. It's for if your application want to access, for example, for SMS or camera, the user camera, you need to add you need to create a privacy policy if you have a website, or you can use some free websites. You can create a link and you can give the link in here. So if your application is, for example, just a book, for these kinds of applications you do need to a privacy policy. But if you add, this is good for your application. So for right now, not submitting, and after this, click on save draft. Okay, now the first round is completed and you can see we have a green check mark. After that you need to go to the app release. So in here this is the place that you are going to upload your APK. So click on manage, create a release, and in here you need to continue, and in here you can browse your APK, so like this. So I am waiting for the completion. Okay guys, now the upload completed, and this is the APK, this is the app's download size, this is the version code, and after this you need to click on save. So if you want you can add language translation. I don't want to. So now you can see this is now green. So now we are after the third step is that you need to go to the content rating. So let me click on content rating, click on continue. So after this you need to enter an email address, so like this. Confirm your email address, and from here you can choose your type, and this the application doesn't have violence, and you can make this no. The language, there is no offensive language, and this is control and no malicious, miscellaneous, sorry, no, and after this you need to click save these questions. Okay, your answers has been saved, and after that click on calculate rating, and after that apply rating. Okay, so now this become green. After that you need to go to the app content. So now in here we need to, this is the new feature, let us know if your app contains ads. Okay, before this we need to do this price and distribution, and after that we can go to the content rating. So click on price, and in here this is a free application and this is available on all countries. You can hide countries if you want. And after this yes, for example, if your application there's ads, you can choose yes, it has ads. And so you just now you need to tick mark this content guidelines and this allow, and after this click on save draft. So now this became green. After this is the another app content. So in here you need to click on start. So now you can target your application, so it's over 18, it is 16 or 17, you can choose this. So it's, for example, 18 and over. Click on next. Could your store listing appeal to children? And you need to choose no. There is no appeal for the children, and click on submit. Okay, now you can see the 5 process has been completed. Now the last one, so these all process are drafts, so we haven't published our application yet. For this you need to come back to the app release, and you need to go to the edit release, and after this you need to come down and click on review, and start rollout to production. So if you click on this, your application goes on review, and after 30 minutes or maybe 1 hour, your application will be published to the uh, Google Play Store. So I don't want to, because it is a demo app and there's no functionality in this app, I don't want to click on start rollout to production. It is the production. So if you click on this, your application goes on the production, on the review, and after that it will take 30 up to 1 hour, and your application will be published to the Play Store. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, please subscribe to my channel and like and share the videos.